Actually, I thought too complicated. So because parameterized type here is extend number, so I can use number here. And actually, I also can use this nice construction. And let's print sum at the end. Okay, let's create a list. We can use any children of number, so any number type here. List, new array list, and let's add all list, and 1 2 3 5, and let's call private static. Let's call our method sum of elements, and let's cast a list here, and let's check it out. Looks like it's a mistake somewhere here. For element of list, sum like a sum plus element double value. Actually, the question is one looks like I messed up with bracket somewhere. Yeah. It's my favorite mistake. So 11, it's correct. So the next one, actually I can say it's also kind of, as for me, it's also kind of a tricky task, because if we use super integer, it means we only that practically we only can use integer here, because integer is a child of number, but we cannot use number. Number is an abstract type, so we don't have a data type number. We can't use it in calculation anyway, it's just an abstract. So actually, of course, I'll write down the method, but it's kind of meaningless. Private static. Actually, it's also kind of meaningless, because I put parameterized type here. Private static void a add values. List wildcard super integer, which is meaningless. List and so let's add collections, add all. 1, 2, 3. No, again I forgot list. 1, 2, and 3. That's enough. And okay, let's add values, and then let me call list printer. Add value. First I need to create a list, of course. List. No, actually, I can do it this way. So how I can make it? Okay, let's make it. Okay, let's try it this way. Per integer item. Can I? Why can? Only as a reference parameter. Can I use it this way? Item and item 2. So list add item and list add item 2 as well, and let's add value.
А ты что-нибудь записываешь?
Я записываю, почему нет? Integer list as a new array list. 3 and 5. Let's add. Add values. List 2 and add values. So it should be list 2, 3, 5. Блинчики. List printer. Take list 2.
Я бы тебе их могу почитать, но ты записываешь.
So how can I call list printer from here? Print list. Sorry. List printer. Printer. Can I call a method here? Yeah. No. Why? it's public class list printer, and I can use a print list method. So why can't list printer? Actually, it's interesting why I can't call this method here. Private static T. Okay, I need to think about it. So list tool for each system out print. 3 and 5 as expected. Okay. So this time I need to create an interface, generic interface, container T, which includes methods add and get. New Java class and interface container T, and the task here I need to just declare methods void add T item and void get. Can I check it somewhere? Container number box. So add okay, let's try it out. Implements container I am not sure what get should do, so let's add add T number. Okay. Okay, let's this number item. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, get return this number. Actually it's, no, let's make put number. Okay, so can I check it somewhere? So add and get. Okay, let's make box add 10 and 10 and box get. So it's good, it works. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Only 3 left. Can say how happy I am. So it's a map, and here is a task map and key. I hope I understood task in correct way. But not sure really. Okay. Oh, so let's create private map key v map and private key and let's also create private or declare private v value and let's create a container public map let's map 1, map 1 map 1 and let's refactor what's wrong here. Container map container and let's refactor rename map container and what's wrong now. Okay, let's rename a file. Public map container key v value. So this key and this value and map. Let's assign to it a new hash map. And I hope my code understands that it should be hash map key value. And so also I need a method, not main, just a custom one. So private void take and print key b value, and so let's first add it to them to the map. Put key value, and then map for each key and value. Let's print them out. Key plus space plus value. What's wrong with key and value here actually? It's better, okay. So let's create an object, map and container, integer, map container, map as a new map container, right? Oh, 11 and my name, and so I created one. And let's map, take and print. Yes, and I need to 12 and 3. So kind of meaningless a little bit, but okay. And comparable, actually box, okay, box, and the task here, box, so I need to implement class box, but box only can contain comparable objects. Extends comparable T. So because it's a what? It's a parameterized class, I need to create private t item, I need to create a constructor, actually an object, I mean the item. So public box t item, and this item as item. Okay. Let's try it out. Box 1 as a new box, box of, let's say, integer as a new box 1, and let's create another box integer as a box 2, new box 3, and so box 2 1, and I need to create getter, I think. Generate getter, get item, compare to box 2, get item, and let's print it out. So if first item is bigger than second one, let's print first item is bigger. One, two, three, and 1, 2. I need one more. No. What's wrong with you? It's box 1. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you really think if I remove braces, something will change? What's wrong here? If get item compared to box 2 get item, Okay, let's make it this way. So yes, I don't receive anything, so it was false. And in this case, first item is bigger. Okay, we have the last one. Actually, I think I already implemented in map container, but I can of course create one more class. Types. Okay. Public. Oops. Okay, let's delete generic new Java class div types and pair actually key, right? And let's refer pair key v. Let's rename. No. It's okay. What's else from here? Pair. Okay, let's rename. And so yes, private key and private v value, and let's create public pair key and v value, and so this key as key and this value, and let's create a main and create pair of integer string as a new pair, and so we have 4 and ion. Okay, so I'm done here.